with one of my really good friends, Kiara. And tell me a fun fact. I even told you it was coming. That's the funny part.
I knew it was gonna happen like this. Okay. I've never waxed anyone's armpits before.
Well, today we're gonna take your armpit waxing virginity. So we're gonna do this little experiment called armpit waxing. So that'll be fun, and I will be the poor soul that gets it tried on. I've been growing my hair out for like a week, so it'll be plenty long, but not too long to grab the hairs and pull. And I never cry, but I probably will. So. But anyway, so if you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. And if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't promise that we will not laugh, because we always do. And we always say stupid stuff, so just prepare yourselves. And if you're here for a good time, well, you are gonna get one. So yeah, just keep watching. Watching, so you can see us disastrously try to
wax each other's armpits.
Pretty much. So this is me. Singing video coming soon. Working on that. So, and also we're starting a band.
Lash Chicks.
The Lash Chicks. If you look for the cars with eyelashes, that's probably me.
It's definitely her.
Okay, so yeah, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So again, thanks for watching, and this is like the longest intro ever, but okay, bye. Okay, so I put on a tank top because it's a safe shirt to wax in. So my first advice would be to wear something you don't really care about, so that way if it gets waxed on. This is so scary, and I feel like I've tried to wax on before, but no one else has ever done it. It's very warm. I'm gonna scream, I already know it.
Like this?
Wait, which way is it? Is it thicker this way or this way? Oh my god, okay.
Do I need to push down any more?
Maybe a little bit, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my god.
I'm gonna pull it like this.
Wait, why are you looking that way? Wait, I was so confused.
The hair is going down this way.
Oh god, you have to, yeah. But
okay, next one.
Next one.
Do I need some new?
Yes. I can't breathe.
Get ready, girl.
No. I feel like it helped when I screamed before.
Okay. So let's see.
I don't have time for this.
A man stole.
1, 2, 3. For a second, hold on. Oh my god. So much came off. So much came off.
You wanna try mine?
That looks like a porcupine. It literally looks like a porcupine's on there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's sticking together.
It's bleeding.
Funny.
maybe. I think it's supposed to bleed.
You know what?
I think it's because it's too long. So, don't grow the hair out as long as I did.
Grow it out longer.
No, shorter.
Longer.
I can't take it anymore.
So I accidentally made her bleed.
How dare she?
Yeah, you can put
So, Meryl is no longer.
Meryl's armpit's no longer. So now we're gonna go on to her legs. So she's never had her legs waxed, but this is confidential information. So so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do it, and then we're gonna come back, and she's gonna tell you how it was.
Very awful problems.
That's how you would rather it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we'll be back. Bye. Oh, this is what it looks like after you get waxed and you're going crazy. So my armpit obviously didn't go as planned, but I'm pretty sure those like 1,000 hairs that came out, they're not gonna grow back for a very long time. So I'm just gonna have patches of darkness for a while where the hair that didn't get waxed is growing back in a little bit at a time. But it's fine. So I'm just gonna shave the rest, and next time I think we learned that we're not gonna let it grow out as long when we wax. So number one rule. Yeah, and then we did Kiara's legs. So Kiara, how do you think it went?
It went pretty well. I would say that near the ankle area is no area. Yeah.
So
pretty bad.
So we learned that it's painful, time consuming, and painful. So
It is painful, but hopefully it lasts longer
Yes.
than shaving.
yes, we know it's gonna last longer than shaving. How long? It just depends on your growth cycle. But at this rate, we're hoping it lasts a year, which is very highly unlikely. But we can all hope.
And if any of you guys come out with wax that lasts a year, let me know.
Yes, I think it's called laser hair removal. Which costs thousands of dollars, and who wants to do that when you can sit through hours of pain? I mean, let's just think, like, if we're being honest here, like, I think we know what the real thing we should do is, but
Thoughts of Meryl.
at least I make it interesting. I'm just like, just scream before. That's another thing we learned. Okay, so we learned that if you scream before you get, before the pain comes, it doesn't hurt half as bad. But we don't know because we didn't not scream before, so we're just, whatever.
Anticipated.
Yeah.
Screamed, and then screamed again.
Yes. So it works that way. But yeah, so the verdict is that. And the jury is still out on how long it's going to actually last, but we're hoping about 2 weeks, which is, average. So we shall see. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching our crazy waxing adventure. And I might even title the video Crazy Waxing Adventure. I don't know yet, but you'll see it somewhere in the description or whatever. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks to Kiara for joining me today. And thank you guys so much for watching. I already said that, but yeah, thank you. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you had a fun time. I know you did, so don't lie. I'll find you. But anyway, yeah, so just let me know. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.